Hello there! Let's learn about the gate optimization feature in Inspire Mold. The best spots for this model's ingates might not be obvious. The gate optimization tool can save time figuring out where to place our gates. We need to tell the tool how many gates we want to use. We can create up to 10 gates, but in this case we'll use only one. If we want, we can constrain the tool from placing gates from certain directions. We'll select both directions along the x-axis to ensure the sides of the model will not have any gates. We can also prevent gates from being placed on selected surfaces. If we had any existing gates that we wanted to keep, we could select the Use Existing Gates option, but this model has no gates yet. When we're ready, we can click Run. When the optimization is complete, we can see that Inspire Mold has added a gate to our model. Now let's run an analysis, with a fill time of 0.5 seconds. Looking at the confidence of fill result, we can see a high level of confidence throughout the model. Try the gate optimization tool when setting up your next model in Inspire Mold. It may save you some time and resources. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.